In this tutorial, I am going to be talking about this question: how can I make passive income online? This video includes ideas and methods to help you earn passive income while keeping your day job. So if you're interested in learning some methods to create a passive source of income, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video because that tells me you like the content and I'll then create more content for you. Thank you, let's begin. Idea number 1. Start a drop shipping store. Drop shipping is one of the most profitable passive income sources. With drop shipping, you can find trending products on marketplaces like AliExpress to sell to customers around the globe. You can fill your online store with items from various drop shipping niches such as fashion, home decor, or beauty. The magic of drop shipping is that you build your own business and decide how much you charge for the products. Drop shipping gives you a lot of control over your margins. You can sign up for Shopify to start drop shipping today. Once you create an online store, install one of these drop shipping apps to find high quality products to sell. A close alternative to a drop shipping store, but with a lot more input into product selection and quality control, is buying wholesale products to sell on your store. Using a wholesale marketplace, you can connect with local US-based suppliers, purchase products at wholesale prices and sell them onto your audience. You can even combine this option with drop shipping by finding wholesalers who are willing to send products directly to your customers. Choose a drop shipping business idea. The next step in learning how to start a drop shipping business is performing the necessary market research. Just as if you were opening up a retail store and looking into the different locations, competitors and trends, you want to investigate a niche you're interested in and make decisions based on how profitable it can be. But the truth is, coming up with validated product ideas to sell is tricky. By focusing on more niche and trending products, you can help get the attention of shoppers and gain traction without competing with larger established businesses. Niche products often have a more passionate customer base, which can make selling to a specific crowds easier by raising awareness for your products. Fitness, fashion, beauty products, electronics, phone accessories, and yoga related items may be a good entry point to start dropshipping with no money. Some examples of a niche dropshipping store could be dog bow ties for dog lovers, iPhone cases for iPhone owners, camping gear for campers, and exercise equipment for fitness folks. Google Trends can help you determine if a product is trending upward or downward, as well as the seasons they tend to trend in. Note that Google Trends doesn't show search volume, so if you use it, be sure to cross-reference your data with a keyword tool like the Google Keyword Planner to determine the product's popularity in search. Idea number 2. Build and monetize a blog. Another popular passive income stream originates from blogging. Blogging has helped countless entrepreneurs earn passively through affiliate links, courses, sponsored posts, products, and book deals. It can indeed take quite a bit of upfront work to build a successful blog. However, it's one of the most sustainable ways to generate an audience through organic and social traffic or building an email list. The biggest perk of having a blog is that you can turn that one asset into several different streams of income. So if you're looking for an easy passive income idea, blogging might be the perfect option for you. It's a great way to add passive income to your business, especially if you don't have passive products of your own to sell yet. Find a profitable niche. The first step to creating a successful blog is figuring out what you want to blog about. There are countless topics out there, but a crucial step is narrowing down what your blog is going to be about and finding a niche. A blog niche is a general idea or topic you would focus your content on, such as travel, fashion, cooking, or technology. Creating a blog with no niche and blogging about any topic that interests you can confuse and alienate your audience. Your goal is to build a loyal fan base that relates to or is interested in your blog niche. Therefore, focus your blog on one general topic. Your niche is more than just your general topic. It includes your target audience, the style in which you are writing, and the approach you are taking to your blog overall. Ideally, your niche should be something you are passionate about. The most rewarding niches are topics that genuinely interest you and drive you to continue writing new content. First, consider if there are enough subtopics within your niche to continually write articles about. For example, if your niche is travel, there are literally tens of thousands of places, products and best practices for potential blog posts. If your niche is too specific, you might get stuck. Brainstorm as many potential blog posts as possible to determine if you can build a sustainable blog within your niche. Do some keyword research to see what is trending around your topic. If you can't think of a lot of potential blog posts, consider switching or altering your niche. Additionally, research your audience. You need to ensure that other people besides you are interested in your niche. Blogging doesn't exist in a vacuum. Use free tools for keyword research such as Google Trends to see if people are genuinely interested in your topic. If interest is low or declining, consider switching your niche. The next step in creating a successful blog is to choose your blog's name and get your blog online. Your blog name represents you, your business, your core blog topics, or some combination of the three. If possible, incorporate your niche into your blog title to help people immediately understand what your blog is about. Think about what sort of personality you want your blog to have. The next step is to get your blog online. To do this, you'll need to choose a blogging platform, also known as a content management system (CMS), and a web hosting platform. A blogging platform is a service that allows bloggers to create, manage and publish their blog content on the internet. It's essentially a website builder. Some popular blogging platforms include WordPress, Wix, Weebly and Squarespace, although there are tons of out there. Do some research and find out which one is best for you. If at any point you're looking for support and training in digital marketing, then I recommend you check out the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. Just click the link in the description box below this video. Idea number 3. Create and sell online courses. If you're an expert in some subject or field, selling online courses may be a great passive income idea for you. Whether you sell them through your own website or online learning platforms like Udemy, you'll find plenty of individuals who are willing to pay to access your content. Of course, things are easier if you sell on platforms like Udemy, but your course may be heavily discounted and during certain periods. This will affect how much passive income you earn. In contrast, selling through your own website gives you control over pricing, meaning you don't have to sacrifice your margins just because others are selling at a discounted price. Choose a subject that sells. According to a recent study, 42% of entrepreneurs fail because there is no market for their product. To get a better idea of what types of online courses sell, here are some of the top reasons why people buy them. Wanting to gain knowledge for a career change or when first starting a career, getting certified in a subject to boost their career opportunities, continuing education, academic prep, and simply wanting to learn a new skill or subject. It should come as no surprise that the highest selling courses are often career related. Here is a short list of some of the most profitable online course subjects: computers and technology, business and entrepreneurship, arts and crafts, health and fitness, education, writing, lifestyle and personal development, coming of age, entertainment, social science and math. These are broad subjects. You should try to find a more niche topic within these subject matters. For example, in arts and crafts, you could create an online course on using social media to promote an Etsy store. Or in computers and technology, you could teach a beginner's course on coding. Idea number 4. Publish Instagram sponsored posts. If you have followers on Instagram, you might want to try your hand at creating sponsored content. Instagram sponsored posts are content pieces that endorse a specific product or service, usually owned by the sponsoring party. Sponsors compensate publishers for creating and distributing content that promotes their business. The secret to getting sponsored is to get more Instagram followers. You'll also want to be super consistent with the type of content you post so sponsors know what to expect. And be sure to focus on just one niche. Brands prefer creators who can publish quality content around a specific topic. When it comes to your Instagram bio, be sure to add your email address. As your account grows, you can hire virtual assistants to create sponsored posts on your behalf. The more sponsored post requests you get, the more passive income you'll be able to generate. Define your niche and brand. The best way to get brands to notice you is if you post content in their niche. Choosing a niche helps you figure out the kinds of content to create and the sort of audience you want your posts to reach. There are many Instagram niches you can focus on, including food, fitness, health and wellness, beauty and fashion, sports and technology. Whatever niche you choose, you need to define your brand. In addition to making your Instagram feed cohesive and eye-catching, you can also create a website or online store that has the same aesthetic and messaging as your IG feed. If you choose to create a website, make sure to buy a custom domain name consistent with your brand and connect it to a CMS like HubSpot. This will help you keep your website secure and easily customize your site to match your brand. Understand your audience. If you understand your audience, you'll be able to know if you're a good fit for a brand. You'll also be able to identify which brands will benefit greatly if they partner with you. To know your audience, start by gathering data on your demographic of choice, their age, gender, geographic location, and interests. What kinds of posts do they engage with most? What times of day are they online? The information you gather will help you convince brands to partner with you. You'll be able to explain to potential sponsors the kind of audience they can reach if they work with you. Post consistently. The frequency at which you post content on Instagram is just as important as the quality of content you post. I've found that posting once a day is a good enough frequency to grow your Instagram account. I also found that 11 AM on Wednesdays is the best time to post on Instagram. But you need to figure out what frequency and times work best for you and your audience. If your audience doesn't engage well with your posts on Wednesdays, post at a different time that they're online. It takes trials and errors, but with time you'll eventually figure it out. Use hashtags. Hashtags are a great way to make your content more discoverable. Instagram allows you to use up to 30 hashtags per post, but using that much doesn't guarantee optimal engagement. The trick to using hashtags properly is to use hashtags that are relevant to your content. Those hashtags also need to be niche. Idea number 5. Create a print-on-demand store. With e-commerce being one of the most popular ways to make passive income online, it only makes sense to give a shout out to print on demand. Print on demand allows you to sell your custom graphics on products like t-shirts, clothing, mugs, canvases, phone cases, bags and more. The best thing about this is that you can build your own branded products. The only downside is that you need to be savvy at graphic design, because the margins are often too thin to outsource the designs affordably. However, if you create that unique winning design, your sales will take off. Plus, it's not a super competitive business since other brands are unlikely to sell the same designs. Don't hesitate to start right away with Shopify. Idea number 6. Create an app. By now you've probably noticed a trend. Creating stuff tends to lead to passive income. This is even more true in the world of mobile software. If you're a developer or programmer, you might want to try creating apps as a passive income stream. You can go about it in 2 ways. First, you can charge a fee for people who want to buy your app. Second, you can make your app free and monetize with ads. You can monetize an app in a number of ways, including running in-app advertising, offering paywalled content, and charging for premium features. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which idea or method from this video you are going to use first. I would be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.